and come to school. So much important. Otherwise, if you don't do that, some of you, when you are home, you are not able to concentrate and listen and comprehend things. If you choose to be online, no harm. But the level of discipline is very, very important. Level of discipline is very, very important. If you choose to do online, please, I implore you to lock yourself somewhere, if you have a family, and concentrate as if you're an actual class, as if someone is watching over you, and have value. So I beg you guys, otherwise, if you don't do such a thing, it will be hard for you to pass. So, for us, we shall conduct the classes. The choice is yours. Either come physically or do online. It's up to you. So we shall teach based on the syllabus. You all have the syllabus. If you have no syllabus, you can visit the website of ICPAU. Our examining body is called ICPAU, the Institute of Certified Public Accountants. The website, you see the syllabus. Or you can come to MAT. The administrators shall give you the syllabus and see the syllabus and see what you're going to be doing. At MAT, we provide you with notes. We give you a text that was authored by me and Andrew Kawere. That text is what I've been using, if I've been passing using that text. That's what you follow. It's based on the syllabus, and that's what you follow as we are teaching you. In the mid there, based on timetable, we shall have a mock. We do a mock. The mock assessment is given unto you based on the level of coverage. You sit the exam. It's a test to you to see how things are going to be done. We implore you not to dodge the mock. It's very, very important. Come and test yourself and see whether you are on track, whether you are picking what's being taught. If not, that will help you to change your mind, that will help you change your gears and see that you improve. That has worked for so many students. The student that got 96, last sitting, the best student in the country was called Winnie Namugen. She was my student here. Winnie Namugen, I've been teaching her. She was the best in the country and scored 96%. Winnie Namugen got 38 in the mock. True story. She obtained 38% in the mock. I know why. She did only 2 numbers out of the 4 numbers that was set. And I spoke to them. I advised them that if you only do 2 numbers, you're working out of 50%, for example. You cannot earn all the marks. It's better you do. So the mock made her wake up. And she testified to me that I listened to the advice that you gave us. And when she went to the exam, she did all the numbers. She never balanced any number. She never balanced any number. Accounting, we mark entries. We don't mark balancing of a number. No, only and only entries. And I tell my students, please ensure that you finish all the numbers given to you, are supposed to do. Ensure that you cost as much as you can. They listen to me. Now I'm going to got 96% without balancing any number. So you can imagine. That came from the mock. The mock that mocked her made her wake up and she has to change. That's why she's a victor. So please, guys, the mock is something very, very important. And I implore you to attend the mock. After the mock, we go through those numbers of the mock. Of course, the teaching shall continue so to finish the syllabus. But those numbers shall go through them. Then also doing revision. When the syllabus is done, we have sessions for revision. Your timetable indicates the revision dates. Even right now, those are dates of you don't change. During revision, we go through the different topics through an approach of the past paper questions. And we take you through how an exam is approached. We take you through how you can maximize marks and collect marks. So the different numbers we do for you, they give you that last minute tactics. They also wake you up to read whatever you have not read, whatever you have forgotten. And therefore, you become ready for the exam. We ensure that at least a week before the exam, everything is done. Then you go sit for your exam. But along the way, what I want to encourage you, immediately you should start reading. One of the ways to pass is personal reading. Personal reading. You yourself, please provide time and read. Don't you ever wait for things to pile up. Whatever is taught in a given class is not repeated. Whatever is taught in a class impacts on another topic. That's very, very important. You may miss class because maybe you had something that was bothering you. Maybe you are sick. The recordings are there. Each class is recorded. Each class is recorded. And in your account, you go and access that account and listen to the recording again. Even if you've not been able to understand in class, the recording shall be me speaking in that recording. You can go back to the recording and listen to my explanation. If it's an explanation and you are not able to understand, then you're able to pause and call me. That's why I give my contacts. We're able to explain to you. So reading is very, very important. Don't pile up things. Don't wait 2 weeks to exams and think you will pass. It's not possible. Some of you undermine financial accounting. You think that's very simple. You think you've done it at university, you've done it at master's. This is different. This is a professional course. I've seen people fail with masters in accounting. I've seen people fail with first class in accounting. Big commerce, they're failing here. Why? Because they're undermining. They think you have done this. No, what you're doing was academic. This is a professional course. Where you need to know here that at a professional course, CPA, the tutor Joel does not set the exam. The tutor Joel does not mark the exam. He will only teach you. The exam, your exam, by the way, is ready. If you didn't know, your exam is ready. Why do I say that? The examiner's work is very simple. The examiner does not need to know whether people at MAT finish the syllabus, people at a given school X finish the syllabus. No. The examiner has the syllabus before him. He sets the exam from the syllabus. Therefore, it is ready for you to do. So are you ready? It's incumbent on us now to make ourselves ready for the exam. So if you but might don't read, it's up to you. If other people read, then they will pass. So the difference here from the academic courses, I don't set the exam, I don't mark the exam. At our universities, which is very true, the lecturer teaches you, the lecturer sets the exam, lecturer marks the exam. That means if you never finish the syllabus, you set from that. If you're dialing to a lecturer, you give you marks. Yet it's different. No coursework. No coursework. You earn a 50 on your own. First marks 50%. But you earn it on your own. It's your effort. So please, make your heads as virgin as possible, even if you know accounting. People have failed financial accounting. The exams here are practical. Practical, not at university. University, what is taught in class is what comes back. The seminar we did in class comes just in the name of the company. Then they give you. Yes, different. By the way, there's a lecturer who came to my class of one of the universities, having taught financial accounting for over 9 years. She failed financial accounting of CPA. Are you there, guys? Maureen, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I'm speaking to myself. She failed financial accounting of CPA. And she came and confessed to me. So no crammwork here. No crammwork. We have to understand. And it's very important you understand. Because you are here not to pass the exam alone, but also to get knowledge which you are going to use at your workplaces, knowledge that's going to give you promotion, knowledge that's going to give you money. I call it committing accounting suicide, where you come finish CPA, but if you go out there, you are not a CPA. You don't speak like a CPA. You don't do work like a CPA. So, please, very, very important. So, one, personal reading is something very, very important. Two, attendance. Attending classes. Attendance of classes. Please try as much as you can to attend classes whenever there's class. Forget about the weddings. Leave the weddings. Unless your wedding. Forget about the kuchala shower, baby shower, simanye showers, all those things. I'm telling you, this lady I was teaching here, she happened to be my friend. I said, well, I didn't see you today. Now I was organizing kuchala shower for my friend. Can you imagine? And she failed. So forget about those things. If there's class, it's class. These are just 3 hours, but are very, very important. For any paper you're going to do, please avail time, 3 hours. Do you know, you guys, I'm here, but I have an introduction sermon to attend. I'm not the Moko. Why do I go early? I have class to teach. But for you, you know, you may not be in a salon. Maureen? You may not be in a salon now. Because you have introduction to do. Please, leave those functions for now. You are working on your future. You are paying your own money. If somebody is paying for you, thank that person. And therefore, have value for your money. Please attend classes. That rule is very, very important. Attend classes. Whatever I teach, I will not go back to it, but I'll be referring to it. Please, try as much as you can. If sometimes you miss class, go to the recording so that you pick up before the next class. Discussion groups. Please, discussion groups. I want to implore you to form discussion groups. This has worked for so many, for those I've taught here. The small groups, they say, some of you go to church, tell us to be in cells. Those small groups are very, very important. Joel may not be able to explain to you and you understand. A colleague in a discussion group will help you understand better. Will explain to you a concept and you understand. You yourself, as a discuss for somebody, you're going to be mastering. So please, I beg you kindly, read with others. Share knowledge. It's very, very important. There are no positions here. You're going to be number one, you're going to be number two, ABC. No. Share knowledge. And if you're forming a discussion group, please join a discussion group that has clear objectives. This discussion group will talk about marriage. We're going to talk about kuchala things, talking about soccer, talking about politics. If those guys are there backbiting Joel, backbiting people, leave that discussion group. it must have clear objectives. What's the purpose? Is for us to understand whatever we're studying. That is it. Otherwise, you'll be wasting time. Our time is limited. The exam is not very far from now. It's very near. So I beg you guys, I beg you to have discussion groups and to see to it that you benefit from these discussion groups. Every topic we do, to ensure that you discuss that topic. Very, very important. Are we together, guys? You keep quiet, I also keep quiet.
Yes, we are.
We are together, sir.
Good. I'll pause for now. Can I hear from you? Whatever I've talked about here. Another key factor here is discipline. Discipline. If you have those, you make it. Can I hear from you? Can I hear from one by one? James, whatever I've talked about, any issue? Any clarification?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. Rachel?
Thank you, sir, for this. This is very insightful, and I believe it will help us and guide us through.
I understood. Okay. If you have any questions, no problem. I know some of you have been lectured there informally by the different people who have made you fear the course. CPA is very hard. Go when you are ready. You grow thin. You get gray hair. You do this and this. Me, I've been failing for 5 years. Who are you? Members, you are speaking to a professional. Please, CPA can be done. We did it. People have done it. People are doing the course and they're passing. Don't listen to such toxic people. They're toxic. These people don't love you. Say such things. Don't accept such things. You can do 4 papers and pass them. You can do 3 papers. You can do 5 papers. For as long as you have time, just look at your time. Don't take long. Finish the course. No. Don't do 1 paper. So I say, let me first dive. I do financial accounting alone. No. Have your clear objectives. Everything can be done. There is nothing impossible. For as long as you have interest in something, you can learn and you can make it. Why do you do 1 paper? Unless you have challenges. Unless you work day and night, weekend you're working, at least take 2 papers, 3 papers. If you're not working, why are you doing 2 papers? Do 5 papers. People have done these papers. They have passed. So whoever did 5 papers or 2 papers and failed them, that person was not serious. You are not the same. If him was not serious, you be serious from day 1. You make it. People have done these courses and they are finished. I've just talked to my student here called Joel. He has done the course in 2.5 years. Similar to me. By the way, I'm going to tell you my story. This guy is my namesake, and he told me, I'm going to copy you. I've just phoned him, said the course is done. The course is done. 2.5 years? Possible. Very possible. There's a lady. There's a lady here. She's a student. I think she's going to finish, may finish in August. Who has done the course in the shortest period of time. She's the prize winner in, I think, 7 papers. She's called Devil Mamanzi. You see when the next body will come here. She's a prize winner in, I think, 7 papers. She began the course, I think in 2024. 2024, I think. 2024. She began the course. She's finishing. And this lady I'm talking about is married, working, she has children, and she has been in papers when she's been pregnant. She got a baby, I think, last June, I think, or last December. You can imagine. Married. She's working. Has children at home. She's giving birth to children and passing papers. What excuse do you have? And she listened to me. And she's passing this question. Joel, your first lecture was a game changer. The first lecture was my turning point. You can imagine. Let me refer to my WhatsApps with her. You are not here, but I would have given you evidence. I'll show you. She said, my last paper will be in September. This lady, we began this relationship through WhatsApp in February 2024. That's when she began WhatsApping me. What do you say? Hello, sir. Does the transaction on the second mean difference? Difference is a discount or is a contra from bank to cash? That's our WhatsApp. So I'm in a meeting, I'll call you. I explained to her. That was 2024. In June, results come out. Says me, I'm happy to report that I got 91 in your paper. Please follow through. June 2024. Results came out. She was asking me on 18th, 2024, and she got 91 in financial accounting. And tells me I am a prize winner in QT. So I'm on cloud 9 right now. It's a big congratulations. That was June 2024. She said, thank you for everything. God bless you, telling me. Say, I was supposed to have been among the team that came to, okay, here I was, I lost my mom. That would be nice, but I had August exams. Did the exams in August. In June, she did financial accounting, 91. Economics, 72. Did QT, 91. in June. Then August, she does exams. August 2024. Business law 79. Manufacturing system 62. Cost 64. She tells me 6 down, 12 to go. That was June 2024. Said, big congratulations. Push on, push on. She tells me, I tell her it's a good progress. She told me, I still remember your first class, Joel. It's still pushing me. God bless you. What's the first class? This first class. She sent me her results, which are first all the parts I've talked about. And tells me I was a prize winner in paper 8 and paper 9. Paper 8, financial management. Paper 9 is auditing and ethics. Those are 3 papers. Prize winner so far. Which is on. It tells me I'd hoped to finish in 2 years, but I am heavy now. With the 2 small kids at home, I am exhausted, so I might slow down a bit. She's telling me she's pregnant. She has 2 kids at home. She's exhausted. I'm like, oh dear, don't worry. We thank God for the baby coming. All those are God's plans for you. I said, indeed. He has us for everything. You eventually finish. Say, by God's grace, I will. She says, but thank you for your long first class talk. They really echo in us all the time. I'm like, amen. Thank you so much for appreciating. Which course did you do at campus? I asked her. I did base statistics. I'm going to talk about that. I told her, your future is bright. Baby came, same day, sent me the picture of the baby. I sent some money. Then he said, the baby has come in time for results. She got the baby like today. I think after 2 days, results come out. Tells me, reading advanced tax as we talk this moment. When she got a baby, she was reading advanced tax, organizing for a sitting. She says, my fear is doing it for 10 years. Or once abandon the course because you know life happens. You see, if you have fear for something, if you have something, but it will make you work hard. If the Baganda say, I'm a Muganda, that obwavu mpologoma, botajiduke kulia. So take CPA like lion also. If you don't run, that lion can eat you. So this lady has been doing the course with that fear. Why would I take long? What if I do this course for all this for very many years? That was pushing her to read hard, so she can make it. She's like, I told her, I pray blessings over you. No, she was telling me. Then after, like, as a push on, my dear, you will finish in a recorded time. She sends me results. That was June 2025. She did 3 papers. She did 4 papers and passed them all. Tax 71, advanced financial reporting 57, auditing and strategy 53, audit practice 70. She told me I passed all my papers. When she's pregnant, the baby came out. That means she did exams when she's pregnant. Baby came out, after 4 days has come out. Tells me 14 down, 4 to go. Hello? In 1 year. Are you there, guys? I think I'm not seeing you. Maruth, are you there?
We are there, sir.
Do you hear that story?
Yes, sir.
14 down. She did 14 papers in 1 year. 14 down, 4 to go. Tells me, I'm so happy, but I was worried. I said, hey, you girl. Oh my God, that's my reaction. Thanks so much for working hard. A big congratulations. She tells me, thank you so much. It's only God. It's funny that I am proud of my 50s than even the papers I excelled in. I laughed about it. Say, I am just been announced prize winner in advanced tax. Papers are those? She was the best in QT, best in paper 8 and paper 9, paper 3. This is another paper now. She's the best. I said the story. She's the best. With all those challenges, with kids working. I'm like, oh God, like, may God reward you with all your effort. Thank you, Nana. You did the exam when you have just given birth to a baby. I remember I went to Mango with a baby. She did when she gives me birth to a baby. She went to Mango with a baby. What? I think God. She told me, now 3 to go. No, I've skipped something. The other one, she was pregnant. Now baby came here. Now she did 1 paper. She had 4 to go. Did 1 paper in August 2025. Did 1 paper. What she was reading when the paper just came in, she passed it. Now she has 3 to go. Said to finish level 3 and then do integration. She was telling me in September. That is after August. Sitting, do 1 paper. Like, wish you the best. Thank you so much. Then January, she comes to me. Hello, sir, I passed my FM. I have to do and failed AFM. I have to do FM. Hopefully, I integrate in August or December. So, say congratulations. I think I will study integration Jan 2, then attempt it in August. Hopefully, after AFM. So the paper must have been tight. A big congratulations. Now, she sent me results that came out. She had passed all the papers now. She has 1 paper to go, integration of knowledge. She did her advanced financial management, got 79. So she began 2024, first sitting of June. Now we are here. She's going to integrate in August and finish the exam and finish the course. You too can make it. You too can make it. The guy Joel I've just found here also almost has similar examples. He also was a prize winner. But it's all just working hard. No magic. Just follow this through. Personal reading. Read on your own. Attend classes. Discuss with colleagues. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. This lady did BStat, base statistics. The girl who was the best winning, she's computer science. The girl who just, the lady, 96%, with that came out 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. She did computer science. This one who got 91 in financial accounting, these statistics. Please, I'm speaking to people without accounting background, please worry not. If I'm going to tell you, never did the accounting, you didn't do BCom, you didn't do BBA at campus, and not go for CPA, you can't make it, you can't make it. Tell them to go to hell. These are living examples here. And I'm going to tell you my story as well. Living examples. The rest are forgotten. So just listen. This girl, I've just read her, she got 91%. B statistics. That's what she did. This one, Winnie, got 96%. Only failed 4. The balancing failed her by 4. If she had balance off the numbers, she get all the marks 100%. What's her background? Computer science. So please, if you did engineering, if you're a lawyer, if you are a teacher, if you're there from senior 6, I've taught them here and they have passed. For as long as you can follow what I'm telling you, it's very, very possible. You might have done BCom, you did this course, any course that you did. You can still be better than those that did financial accounting, that did accounting. Those who have BCom, who have masters in accounting, you can beat them. I believe this was the best person, but I believe in that class that I taught last sitting, there are people of BCom. But here, someone comes who never did the accounting course and has passed. Why? She knew her problem. She loved the course. And she had to strategize. How shall I learn these things? She listened to me. And she passed. So even you can still achieve this. Just change the mindset. Change the mindset. Don't listen to negative people. Know what you want. Try, as I mentioned earlier, opportunities are going to come. CPA is a very rich course. Opportunities are going to come your way. That's why I'm imploring you to do many papers as you can. Just imagine this lady, in 2 years, will finish the course. If you want somebody who has finished CPA, she's going to qualify. If you are still trading, you can't get a job. Once someone finishes level 3, the jobs are there. At least level 3 of CPA, at least level 1 of CPA, at least level of this of CPA. So don't do one paper. If you're going to do one paper, how many papers are they? There are 18 papers. You're doing one paper. When shall you finish? So guys, I implore you guys to do very many papers that you can, depending on the available time. There's a student who I've forgotten. It's been long. I think now 3 years. I spoke of the same. Rose up the hand. We were in class. The guy was a guy. He put up his hand and said, Joel, I was told the course is hard. I should do on one paper. I told him, no, don't do that. Take on as many papers as you can if you have the time. The guy went and did 5 papers. She passed them all. This mark he had was 80. He called me. He said, Joel, what I told him is very possible. He sent me results. It's been a while now. I lost touch with him. It's very possible. Check my results. When I came to you and I was good one paper, I'm like, yes, check that. So guys, I beg you, you should at least do more papers. Having the course earlier, it's very important. I told you of getting knowledge. Don't just do a course just to pass. No, don't try it. Are you good? I want to give you my background. I finished my degree. I graduated on 29th Jan 2009. And I did this course. Bachelor's of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Management. Immediately, I registered. I think second day, 30th, I think. I just for CPA. And that June sitting, 2009, that time there were 70 papers. I did all the 70 papers. 7 papers. I was not working. I had no job. I had to maximize my time. I did 70 papers. And mind you, I never had any money. I never came to MAT. Couldn't afford the money. My parents couldn't afford. Told me, for you have gotten a degree, find means of doing other course. I taught myself. I went back to MOBS classes. I was in MOBS. MOBS classes, free entry and free exit. I went back there. Financial accounting is the financial accounting one of MOBS, and intermediate accounting 2. I would combine QT, statistics, and QM. That's what we maneuver. Results came out. I passed 5 papers. 5 passed. Failed 2. 2 failed. QT and business law. Results came out. I looked at my transcript. I was exempted from business law after failing it. So I don't know law, guys. I asked for an exemption, and I gave an exemption from business law after failing it. So my law is very scanty. December 2009, I did 6 papers, QT and other parts of level 2. I was home. Wake up and read. As I reading in the evening, I called those who are working, starting with, to discuss. We discuss. So as I doing this paper, 2009, one paper, I dropped one paper, which is advanced accounting, because of there was writing in Buganda here. Kabaka want to go to Kayunga, for those who are old as me. So I dropped one paper. So 5 papers were passed. All the papers were passed. I only failed at level 1. So this one paper, advanced accounting, which I dropped, I did it in June 2010. I did advanced accounting. Without a fear, because if I'd failed it, I would do it for a full year. I passed it. Then I came to MAT. I came to MAT December 2010 sitting. I came for level 3. 3 papers. Level 3. Remember, I have no money on me. MAT wants money. I talked to them, allowed me. I studied. 1 week, please pay the money. Then they were chasing me out of class. MAT was chasing me out of class, like, please, I'll pay the money. Made a commitment. And results came out. Passed all the papers, and I was the best. Paper 13. Financial, which is called Advanced Financial Reporting now. Best in the country. Advanced Financial Reporting. All papers passed. Then, I've been the best. Matt told him don't pay any money for the next paper. So integration, that was June 2011. That's when I began working. Here I passed my integration of knowledge. The last paper. Began working in 2011. The chance came. They asked, well, I've discussed with my colleagues, my consultant got an opportunity. The uncle sent on the auditing firm to go get a job. Tell me, no, we need someone who has finished level 2 at least. Say, Joel, if you are at level 3, please go for this job. Went for the job. So I did my integration. So when you have done a number of papers, the chance is going to come. He missed out. He got a job after, but he missed out an opportunity because he had not yet finished some papers. That's why I got that chance. That's what I'm telling you. Please do as many papers as you can. That was my journey. That was 2.5 years. 2.5 years with only one exemption after failing it. 2.5 years. Of course. That's when this guy, Joel, who just found here, same story I gave. Same. It inspired him. He told me, I'm going to follow you. He came to me and said, Joe, my name is Joel. Your namesake. I'm going to follow footsteps. I just got 2.5 years. He just told me just outside here. Told me, course is done. Exactly like you 2.5 years. That's possible. It is possible. Guys, look at the course I did. Hello. That's the course I did. I never did BCom. I never did BBA. No. That's the course I got on government. But me, I want to be an accountant. That's why immediately after graduation, it's for CPA. And I knew my problem. I knew that I've not done accounting. I had to work hard. I was doing accounting with my colleagues whom I left moves with, who are big commas. They were failing. I was passing. They were failing. I was passing. I finished the course before them. By the way, when I began doing this, 7 papers, 2009, I found a guy. I won't mention him, maybe knowing a guy. Hey, you're doing CPA? I'm like, doing CPA, which papers? I'm doing this one, I'm doing 7 papers. I said, Joe, 7 papers? You guys are joking. You guys have just finished university, you have to guess. You think you're going to pass them? Like, why? These papers are hard. I've been doing this course for the last 3 years. I won't pass any paper. Who are you to do 7 papers at once and pass them? You know, when God is with you, one of the other factor here of passing, believe in God. Believe in God or Allah. Do what you do. Read, attend class, discuss, have discipline, gain osare. Pray to God. You see things working. Let me come back here. I told this guy, my friend, my name is Joel. I'm not you. Somebody like that. Me, I'm different. I will make it. I'm telling you. Let me tell you. I finished the course before the guy. Mindset. I was working at MAT to teach. He'd working at to MAT to study. Working to teach. He's working to study. Mindset. Things are hard. So guys, let's change our mindset. There's nothing hard. Everything can be done. Look at that journey of mine. Background is not accounting. But because I knew what I wanted, using these factors, I made it. Why not you? We eat the same food. Winnie, who got 96 just recently, the same food. I told the guy, by the way, I think the best guy got 98, one of the ones I've taught. We've been getting so many prize winners. Different parts at MAT here, but I teach financial accounting. I've been getting prize winners. This guy who got 98. 98. He got his marks. And here guys say, and they're going to tell you things. There's examiners are mean, they don't want to join them, that's a make people fail. That's bullshit. Sorry for to use that word. No. If somebody can get 96%, 98%, are they mean? Those are talking about those things are failures. They don't read, don't discuss, don't attend the classes, and they fail. And they say, these guys of the examiners are very mean. You can't pass CPA. You want to be few CPAs. No. It's very possible. People are getting such marks. I don't want to go to 98. I remember it was a guy, 98. So it's very possible. For as long as you listen to us and follow through. I began teaching in 2011. Immediately after teaching, Matt asked me, please come and teach. 2011 to date, 2006. And I've been teaching CPA. I teach CPA 1, 8, and 13. This is now advanced financial reporting. This was advanced accounting. But now I no longer teach this. I teach this only because of time. But I taught all these papers, but now I concentrate on paper 1. Also teach ACCA at MAT. I teach FA, and that's what I'm teaching now. I teach also F2 and F3. But now I'm teaching this here at MAT. So for all that time, I used to teach course is called UBE. UBE? UBE, yeah. I forgot that course. I used to teach it here also, UBE. Yeah, it was also from UK. I think. I've forgotten, it's been a while, but we're teaching it. So that's a teach at MAT here from that time to date. And I believe I have enough experience to stand before you and make you pass and acquire knowledge. My approach is practical. Approach is practical. I'm an auditor who does auditing services, external, internal, different campus. So I have practical approach to my things and I teach. I try to ensure that you understand. If you don't understand financial accounting taught by me, then you never understand. That one, I assure you. So please, you're in safe hands. You have chosen MAT. MAT is a very good institution, and you're going to have value for your money. As I said, I have that degree. I have a CPA. I have an MBA. I did Poditra. I'm doing CTA. Here I'm a student of CTA. I'm a student of CIA. These are still ongoing. Because of time, I've not even started paper for the last 3 years. But that's what I am. So I think I'm qualified enough and have an experience, both practically in doing whatever I'm teaching and also in teaching. So that's me. Unless there's anything to ask me, kindly ask me. Can I hear from you guys? Can I hear from Nora?
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Nora. How are you?
Okay, so I'm actually new here. You've been an inspiration because I have a background in law and I really wanted to do accounting. So if people who have no knowledge of accounting are really managing to make it, so I think this talk has really been helpful. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Good. Nora, don't worry. You're a lawyer. I've taught lawyers here. So don't worry at all. You're in safe hands. We're in this journey together. I'm going to do my part. Do your part. Let me go back to these factors here. I'm going to do my part. Do your part. Nora, just look at that. Do that. You will not
Yes.
regret. Do that, not regret. For those, you will understand accounting and pass accounting and make good accountant. So Nora is not alone. I know there's most of you there who are there also. Like I've seen. I can give you Winnie's number. Let me give you, by the way, let me give you Deborah's number. This lady who has children and working. Let me give you Deborah's number. This one's Deborah. The one I've told you has children, working. She's giving birth. She's passing papers. President, the number of papers. Deborah, 0779 223 923. Tell her, Joel, give him the number. How do you do it? How did you make it? She will advise you. She'll talk to you. Ask her. How do you maneuver? Do all those things. A mother, a worker, a babysitter, I would say. As doing all those things. I want to give you Winnie. The one who's a prize winner just recently. Winnie. This is Winnie. Winnie got winner 0785 290 627. Tell her, Joel, give me the number. This one did computer science. Nora, I'm speaking to you. Computer science.
Yes, sir.
She did computer science. Let me even see here. When did computer science? Yeah, that's what told me. Then if you can see the chats we had with Winnie when she was a student, what are discounts? How can I handle this? What's the finance cost? What's selling and distribution? I'm seeing them here. She was helping herself by asking me. This day I did B statistics. B statistics. She did. No accounting background. But they're there. So don't worry about that. Nor I also make it. Listen to me. If you can read here what Winnie said. Congratulations after being the best. Congratulations once again. She told me, thank you so much, Joel. I thank you for lecturing us well. I learned from the best. Those are her words. Because she had to follow whatever I was telling her, and she's the best. Call them. You may think I'm deceiving. Call them. They will tell you. Just refer to my name, they give you audience. They can give you advice. There are things they're doing that I may not be knowing, for which they can tell you. Now, you ladies are your mothers. No, I don't know whether mother or not, but she'll tell you. They will tell you that this what I do. They are like this, I do like this. You have no tactics. So please reach out to them. They will help you, give you advice. How together? So the numbers I've given you, my numbers, some have just joined. These numbers of mine, please, let's communicate. Call me, beep me, I'll call you back. This is the WhatsApp line. Beep me, I'll call you back. No excuse of failing. WhatsApp me, I'll respond. I am available for you. These people, if you see, you've seen what even the other months, that's why I get their numbers. You see somebody's asking you this and this and this. And I'm almost surprised that Winnie has this. I'm almost surprised. Because I went back, she sent me the message, I'm the best, I got 96. I'm like, oh. Looking back, our communications is asking me this, asking me this, asking me this, asking me this. And she would even call me and communicate. You know, this goes like this and this and this. Even in class, she would ask. Please ask. This is your money. You paid money. Ask to understood. Don't follow the others. I'll give you attention. Don't fear. They're going to see my mode of teaching. I always pause. Anybody with a question? Ask like that. Even if I'm teaching, interject. Raise your hand. And say, Joel, I've understood that. Can you explain more? I'll explain to you. I'll explain to you. So don't fear. Ask. Ask anything. If you're asking in class, asking me privately, call me. I said, I never understood this. I never understood this concept. What do you mean when you said ABCD? What does this say? I'll be available for you. Okay? Thank you so much, Nora, Rita, Salama, anybody, please speak. Anything you've been told, any fears, any clarification. Sharifa. You guys, you want to make me proud. I speak once and everybody is okay. Everybody understands?
Thank you, Mr. Joel.
Please, Mahmoud.
Yes, me, I'm happy to join this course because I'm in the field of accounting and I'm going to get more knowledge of what I do. And I believe in myself, I will do it. Thank you, sir.
Amina. Inshallah, inshallah, salama, we will make it. You will make it. We have administrators here at MAT. Anything concerning MAT, you want to have a link, you're not able to join, you want a book for the notes, you want to know when is class, anything concerning MAT, you reach out to Richard. It's number, because some things you call me when I don't know. Reach out to Richard. The recording hasn't yet been uploaded. Reach out to Richard. 0756 762 017. Reach out to Geoffrey. If you can't get Richard, you can get Geoffrey. Geoffrey on 0776 091 305. Here those guys for anything starting MAT. If you need question bank has past papers. Which are this gentleman? If you come to MAT, you can go to room 1. That's where he sits. It's called Karunji. He will sell to you, not give you. He will sell to you. This goes for 20,000. This is not part of the tuition. This is not it's a different arrangement. It's called Karunji. 0761 529 058. Yeah. Or 075 6970. We give you the question bank to see how the questions are set. There have been answers there. Look at those answers. Be familiar. So please don't, much as going to look at the questions, don't start now getting worried. You're asking me things I've not yet studied yet. I always don't want that. I always tell you, please wait. Even my depreciation, asking about depreciation, asking about partnerships, asking about errors. Like, please wait. Concentrate. Let's go chronologically. Concentrate on what we have already tackled. Get it. Then you find the others. Some of you want to go now read errors, read not for profit making. That's topics. Yet you are still moving. First move step by step until you get at that level. Altogether. I don't teach questions and answers. I teach people to understand. No. I'm saying this because of the experience. When some students told me here, please just, why don't you do first numbers? Just do first numbers and that's done. No, I said no. I said some of you came from maybe secondary school where they teach questions and answers. No, that's not right. Me, I teach the concepts and understand. Those numbers you're looking at, they will not come back, but the concept shall come back. When you go to work, will they bring that number did in class? No, but the concept will be there. If it's about bank reconciliation, what are you supposed to do? So never find any reconciliation to do anywhere in the world. You have the knowledge. Someone teaching to pass the exam. You have such a mindset, please. No. I want somebody who's going to have value. So they're able to do things after. Are we good? I know you are in 2 groups now. We have the evening. Evening guys are here. So we're going to do evening and weekend. That's different groups. So please follow your timetable through. If you have chosen to do evening, be consistent with the evening. Don't move evening, then you come to weekend. You do weekend this time. When it comes to evening class on Thursday, you come here. No. You're going to be having different timetables. And therefore, you're going to be having different, you not be at the same level. One of you may overlap the other, but the other will catch up. You find we have so many classes of evening done before you guys have done one class. These guys are on a different topic. You guys are still on another topic. So be consistent. If you chose weekend, be consistent with the weekend. So we are going to have, you have WhatsApp groups for each. So Geoffrey will help you join. Geoffrey will help you join in each group. So be in that particular group. So be having communication there. Some of the questions are shared there. If you are studying, let's look at this question. Better be consistent. And let's post things that are necessary, not posting unnecessary things. And I'm going to have team leaders. We're going to have team leaders in each. We shall have a team leader of evening, a team leader of weekend. So when we meet up again, weekend people, we shall elect our team leader. Evening shall elect our team leader. So those are the basics we're going to have. My name is Joel. Please feel free to call me Joel. Don't call me sir. Feel free. Say Joel. As long as we respect each other. I have no problem. Joel, I haven't understood this. Joel, what's this? Don't call me sir. I'm very comfortable with that. What's the exact pass mark for all the papers? It's a 50, sir. Is that Angela? It was Angela who asked. Angel Wampamba. But Wampamba is a man. I don't know. Anyway, it is 50%. Is a pass mark. No coursework, no what? The mock we do is for us internal. To check ourselves. Where are we? Are we on a track? Are we veering off the road? It brings us back. That's the mock. It's internal. MAT does not give you an exam. No. The exam is given by ICPA. And therefore, you must register with ICPAU by 30th of September 2026. That's the deadline for registration of your exams. Register with ICPA by this time. You must have paid tuition fees as a student, also registering for exams. The exams are conducted by ICPAU, not MAT. For us, we are tuition providers. Are we together? Yeah. Angel, okay? Can I hear Angel for my benefit? Angel.
Together.
Eh?
Yes, we are together.
Okay, Angel Wampamba. I was getting confused. Okay, you're ready. The classes are beginning. Look at the timetable. I will not mention that. I want to spoon feed you. Look at the timetable. And I'm going to emphasize that. Please, classes are based on timetable. Classes are not always on Saturdays. If you're doing weekend, if you're doing evening, your first class may be Friday. It's not always on Friday. No, it's based on timetable. Don't miss class thinking all evening classes are Friday, thinking all weekend classes are Saturday. No. Look at the timetable. So, Julius was asked here. Hassan Kakuru. Hassan, someone.
Walaikum salam. I can hear you.
Good. Do you have a timetable?
Yeah, let me check. I think I saw it some time back.
Exactly. So that timetable will tell you when to have class. I want to set it from today. I want to tell you what class I'm going to begin. Look at your timetable. Every timetable, go and download it. Call Richard, send timetable. Call anyone, send timetable. And for the timetable. It's what drives me also. So timetable is very, very important. Asanam?
Yes.
Good. Good. Hello, everyone. I'm sitting for a paper in August, but I don't have a discussion group. Anyone to add me discussion group? Kindly. Thank you. Rita, can I hear you from Rita? Rita, can I hear you? Rita, where are you?
I'm here, sir.
Rita, have you been studying before?
You have been studying, but not at MAT. I'm new at MAT.
What did you say?
I've been studying, but I've not been studying from MAT.
Yes. Now, Rita, we have another class running for August sitting, which is for revision. The people I have here have not done, have been studying CPOFA. They are going to do exams in December. That's the audience I have. So for the August sitting, you don't need to be told definition of accounting. No, we've already been studying. Is that so, Rita?
Yes, sir.
So join the August sitting. I taught on Thursday. Revision. I taught on Thursday. I think I'm teaching on Thursday again. Please reach out to these guys. Get those numbers, reach out to them. And they give timetable for August sitting. I've already done one class on Thursday. I think I'm doing another next Thursday. So reach out to them, they guide you, and they join you to a subgroup of August. So you should not be here, Rita, literally. Okay? Rita, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Or you want to study again? Because if you're going to, by August, we're going to the paper, we shall be halfway of this syllabus. Or you want to study these ones? I don't know. What's your approach? Tell me.
No, it's okay, sir. Actually, I was hoping to join the August intake, the revision classes, so I will enroll for those ones.
Okay. So please, call these people and join the August City. I will see you on Thursday.
Okay, please. Thank you.
Good. Okay. Any other fears? You can chat. You can, if you fear to talk, you can chat with us here. as we conclude, anything to ask? I think I've talked about most of the things.
Mr. Joel, I would like to ask.
Yes.
How do I do the mock exam in case I'm entirely online?
Yes, if you're entirely online and you can't come physical here, we always send you. At that time, when you're going to do the exam, your colleagues are here, seated. We also upload the exam in your MAT account, your LMS. Give it to you. You sit religiously. Don't copy. You sit and do the exam. We also time you. Immediately we say stop here, you also stop. Then you scan your paper and send it. Then you get your results.
Okay.
Yeah, we do that. Even if you are online, if you want notes, the book shall reach you. Even the notes, the textbook shall reach you. You call those two. They will ensure. You've had guys from Juba. You've had guys from Juba, and we have sent them books. Books have reached them. We have sent them the exam. They have done the exam, scanned back and sent. It's very possible. Okay? Are you okay now?
Yes, I'm okay.
Good. Okay, I think I'll stop here. If there's no other thing, please tell whoever is going to come to MAT to join immediately because they're going to kickstart the lectures. Are you good, guys?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are good.
Any questions? Any clarification? Anything you want? According to my timetable, we have today is a webinar, which we've had. Then on 3rd July, we're going to have a class done. That would be a Friday. Those are evening students. If you want to go for evening, Friday from 6:15, be here up 9:15. On Friday, the timetable tells me that Friday, 3rd July, 2026, we shall have a class here. So please endeavor to attend the first class. If you're going for evening. Then for weekend, on 4th July, that's next Saturday, from 9:30 to 12:30. From 9:30 to 12:30 on 4th of July. We shall have a class for weekend. That is as per my timetable that was given to me. I also believe you have the same. So please let's meet then. And we have class. Are you good?
I have a question, Joel.
Yes?
If I have my time, you said it is not good to attend 2 classes. Eh?
Yeah.
If you
We shall not allow you.
it is not allowed. Eh?
Yes. Well, but why do you want to have double knowledge? Eh?
I
So same
have
person.
too much time.
You have too much time. Please do 5 papers. Salama, do 5 papers. That other time
Okay.
you want to come attend class, be revising.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, choose one and be revising. Can you see me?
I have another question.
Yes.
I have another question. After paying for the papers which I'm doing under MAT, what is the process of getting the study text?
Of getting what?
The books for studies. These books you
come to MAT physically, you get them. Or if you verify, call those numbers. Call Geoffrey, call Richard. You get the numbers? You get the numbers, Salama?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good. Call Geoffrey, call Richard. Give you that. Some of you, that's my face. Can you see my video?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. That's my face. Some of you may not be physical. Don't pass me on the streets, please. That's how I look. I will not always put on video when I'm teaching. That's how it is. Okay. Thank you. Somebody's saying here. I have the paper 2 and 3, but I haven't gotten my paper 1. Come, call Richard. Sanyu Doreen, call Richard. Call Geoffrey. They'll advise you. Are the books ready? Call those people. Guys, I don't know. Call those people. I think I should flash those numbers again. There. Please call. Right now, make a phone call. Right now. Call those people. Call Richard. Call Geoffrey. Ask them for the notes. Okay? Doreen, can you pray for us as we leave here? I want to thank you so much for attending this webinar. I think I've added value onto you. I think that'd be helpful. Please try to remember whatever I've discussed. Try to put them in practice. Remember those factors that help people to pass. Make sure you do them. Call those guys I've given you. Call Deborah, call Winnie. They'll advise you, they motivate you. They'll speak to you and tell you as a student what they go through, what they went through to have excelled. Yeah. So that is it. I'll leave it at that and meet you again when you have class. Yes, Sanyu, Doreen, pray for us as we leave this place. We can't hear you, Sanyu.
Sorry. Can you get me now? Hello?
Okay, we can hear you now.
Heavenly Father, we thank you for this day. We thank you for help us to go through this course and on our listening, guide our parents and the lecturers and the master player classmates and help them to focus this thing and help us about communication. The Lord is we bless all our pockets and then around right us that also help us run through this course. Thank you, Father. The Lord, Father,
Amen. Maybe God has heard. May I didn't hear.
Nobody heard me.
I believe God
Amen.
has heard. Amen. 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 Thank you so much. Okay, let's meet up next time for evening, meet up on Friday, for weekend, meet up on Saturday, respectively. Thank you and bye-bye.
Bye.